Hello everyone, so today our video is about how to write on picture. For this you have to double click on picture in Word format and then come to the format options. From there you have to select wrap text option, and in that menu bar you have to select behind text. So once you select behind text option, it will appear on your picture and you can write anything you want. For example, I am writing here children going to school. So once I write this text, I can change the color of this text and also the size and style of this text. It's very easy and simple. So it is the simplest way of writing text on picture, and we also have two more ways. So I will share that with you in this video. The second option is you have to click on picture once again and then come to the insert option, and from there you have to select on textbook and then you have to select on write textbook. So once you do that, you should select the picture and you can write your text in here. It is also very easy and simple way. For example, I select it on insert and then I select on textbook, so it will appear here. I am writing here children on the way to school. In this option you can also write change the color of your text and also the size of your text and style of your text. So it's also very easy. I just wrote there children on the way to school. Now I will increase the size of this text and also change the color of this text. So this was the second way through which we can write on picture, and then we have the third way. For that you have to come to insert words again and click on word art. Once you click on that, a text box will appear on your picture, so you can write whatever you want in this text box and also increase the size of the text and also change the color of the text. So it is very easy and simple. I will write once again here a simple text to show that how to increase and change the size and color of the picture. So for example, I will write here once again that children going to school or children on the way to school. As you can see, it is in white color right now, but I can change its color very easily and also increase or decrease the size of this text. So these are the three easiest and simple ways in the Word program to write on your picture. Please subscribe our channel for more amazing tips and tricks like this. Have a good time. Take care.